Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record a deposit payment on customer invoice on LessAccounting. To record the deposit payment, we need to go to particular invoice, so through sales and invoices section, and click on invoice. For example, in my case, this will be 111. So I have invoiced and there is nothing paid yet. So let's click there. And to add a payment, scroll down more to bottom and there is applied payment. So I can apply payments or create a new deposit. So if I create a new deposit, there is a warning message, read it through, and then we are presented with a deposit card which we need to fill in. So we need to add the title of this deposit. So for example, I have deposit for purchased items. And amount, this is the total amount of an invoice, but this customer have paid actually 1,500 yesterday, and I can select a financial account in which account I have received money in. So in my case, I received in my bank account, and I can change revenue or income or sales type if I want, but I will keep it to regular income. But if you have this as an other income, change it to one which is appropriate to you. Okay, I can email receipt to this customer. I can add tags if you use tags on LessAccounting, and add note, for example, deposit for purchased items, and click save. Okay, so when we go back to transactions and I look at deposits only, there is deposit for purchase items recorded there. And if I go to sales and go invoices, then I can see that I had invoice issued for 6,750 and they have paid 2,500. So I have balance of 4,250 that they need to still pay. So this is a way how you can record a payment or deposit payment on customer invoice on LessAccounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete LessAccounting tutorial, as well as my review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.